If CapCut keeps automatically shifting and cropping your footage, you're probably dealing with Auto Reframe. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off Auto Reframing in CapCut so you can keep full control over your video framing and stop the app from moving your shot around for you. This is a quick fix, but it's really useful if you want a more natural look, especially when you're editing talking head videos, screen recordings, or clips that need to stay locked in place. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to your timeline. You'll want to click on the specific video clip that has Auto Reframe turned on. Make sure the clip is selected because these settings only appear for the item you're actively editing. Once the clip is highlighted, look over to the top right editing panel. This is where CapCut shows all of the clip adjustment options. Now make sure the video tab is selected. If you're in a different tab such as audio or something else, you won't see the setting you need. The video tab is the one that controls the visual properties of your clip, so this is where we want to be. Under the video menu, click on the basic sub-tab. This section usually contains the main adjustment tools like position, scale, and other core video controls. If you don't see it right away, just stay in the video panel and look directly beneath it for basic. Next, scroll down through the basic settings. You'll pass options like position and scale, and then you should find the auto reframe option. Depending on your version of CapCut, it may appear as a checkbox or a toggle switch. To turn it off, simply uncheck the box or switch it off. Once that's disabled, CapCut should stop automatically reframing that clip. If you want to make sure the change worked, click around on the clip and preview it again in the viewer. Your framing should now stay consistent instead of being automatically adjusted by the software. If you have more than one clip with Auto Reframe enabled, you'll need to repeat the same process for each clip individually. A good tip is to always check your clip settings before exporting, especially if your project has a lot of vertical or horizontal conversion. Auto Reframe can be helpful in some cases, but if you want manual control, turning it off gives you much more precision. And that's it. You've now turned off Auto Reframing in CapCut. Nice and easy. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, and let me know in the comments if you want more beginner-friendly walkthroughs like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.